Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you the unboxing and first look of a new knife from EAFENGROW that I recently got. So yes, uh, so the presentation, yes, they saved up on anything. No branding, no logos, no model numbers, nothing. Basically this is how I like to have knives to be delivered, because then I have no problems to tossing out the box. But yeah, maybe little logo there will be helpful, or maybe even model number. But let's face it, they save up on the packaging to give you the best possible value. And yes, the EAFENGROWs are really nice value, but I will be talking about pricing a little later. Okay, so firstly, EAFENGROW has been a staple of AliExpress and DHgate and all of these sorts of Chinese large warehouses that they offer knife designs for the basically knife shops on their platform. And when I came across this one, which obviously, as you can see, offers a nice micarta handle scale, I had to get it. And since I have really only a couple of straight razor styled blades in my collection, then that was a no-brainer, and so I bought one. It took a little while to get to me. I know exact date. It was well above 1.5 month, maybe almost 2. I don't want to misinform you, but yeah, it took a little bit longer than usual. But now, so this is the EAFENGROW EF939M. Also, like the previous, the CTVN brands, they do not use any kind of naming nomenclature. They just have numbers, so it is what it is. They are saving time, and that means saving money, so that they can give you a better priced item. So let me give you the quick specifications. So we have a overall length of 20.2 centimeters, that is 8 inches. The blade is 8.8 centimeters or 3.5 inches with a cutting edge of 7.7 centimeters or 3 inches. The blade width is 1.9 centimeters, that is 0.7 inches, with a thickness of 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The handle is 11.5 centimeters or 4.5 inches long, with a thickness of 1.5 centimeters, that is 0.6 inches, without the pocket clip. On the blade they have used D2. This is probably some kind of a Chinese equivalent, and they used a really nice stone washed finish with this straight razor profile blade. So for all your EDC purposes, I always emphasize this: nice stone wash or acid wash or PVD black wash, what I would call it, is the best finishes you can have, because it will help you with the corrosion resistance of the blade. Since it is D2, I strongly suggest use your favorite oil or anti-corrosion inhibitor. On the blade we have two informations, that is the blade steel and the EAFENGROW logo. On the handles we have, like I mentioned, a really nice coarse or textured, you can see there, micarta. This is a better quality Chinese micarta, like the big players are using, like CVV, Bestech, so on. Liners are stainless steel, they are not skeletonized. We have a liner lock construction. Let me try to check the lock. Yes, this is nice and sturdy. The engagement is around 30%. Since I got it, I experienced a little bit of crunchiness. I will try to put it in, before the microphone. I don't know if you can hear it. You will definitely feel it. So if those small things make your back shiver, then please keep in mind that some also in the past EAFENGROWs and these budget-oriented knives had this. I don't know if it is a issue. Maybe just the steel bites in a little bit better, so the lock is a little bit safer. But I don't know what's going on. So the lock is, as you can see, liner lock, and has a really nice stepped up ramp right here to help you to disengage. So this is also interesting thing how to do it. Some companies will mill out a channel inside the back part or the opposing side of the liner. Some will make you a nice relief ramp, but EAFENGROW did with the liner this way. So yeah, there is no jimping, but you definitely not need it because this is a rather thin knife. So the pocket clip is really soft, so medium to soft. Thank you very much, this will be a benefit. But for some reason they used rounded screws, not flush screws. So yeah, and also the pocket clip is not nested inside the micarta, so it is on the top. We have a open back construction, and they use really interesting anodized screws right there. So yeah, 4 of them. Unfortunately for all of my left-handed users, they do not have an option to reverse the pocket clip. I don't know why. In 2022 this should be not an issue to drill 2 more holes on the opposite side, but it is what it is. So the centering looks perfect to me, and the action is really smooth. The pivot assembly, it rides on cage ball bearings, washers, and I feel a little bit of play side to side, up and down, nothing. So keep that in mind. Let's see the sharpness out of the box. It is sharp, but definitely could use a little bit of stropping, but yeah, it's definitely a nice edge. So now let's see the pocket profile. Before, let's talk about the weight. So the weight comes at 90.8 grams, that is 3.2 ounces. So yeah, this is really nice lightweight. And since the pocket clip is soft or has medium stiffness, then it will be no problem to put it inside outside the pocket with any large effort. This is how much it will stick out. So if I could, let's say, talk a little bit about the improvements of the design, I would probably design around the back screw right here and do a pocket clip around this screw. Then you will save up on holes, and you will have a nice ambidextrous carry option for anybody. They definitely designed a specific pocket clip, because usually we'll have these banded deep carry ones, we'll have just a straight line. So they definitely did a little bit designing on this one, but I don't know why they went with this route, but yeah, it is what it is. So now let's talk about the pricing. Like I mentioned, this is a really nice value for your money. Then I have a good news for all of my USA based or let's say outside European Union based subscribers or viewers of this video. The price currently is on AliExpress around $26.84 US dollars. So you have under 27. There is a sweet spot of a price. I would say definitely a nice bargain. So if you are from Europe, like me, you will end up paying around 33 euros. But since here in Slovakia we have a special arrangement with AliExpress, we pay only the tax directly. So the price, what I told you right now, the 33 euros is with the tax, and we don't have to pay any kind of any else for taxes or import fees. So that is really good to have. But also for $33 or 33 euros is a I'd say a really nice design with the minus of a little blade play right there. But yeah, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So let's start. I have here on the table the Tuna Fire, or this is the Tuna Fire of Free Tiger or Kesivo. This is the model number 955. This is a more a cleaver style because it has a not a 90-degree angle, but yeah, one of those straight razor type blades that I have in my collection. Here is the Apta series, and you can choose either brass or copper. Or these are slip joints. And that is probably all that I have. A couple of more Rough Riders. This is the one-armed razor pattern with the model number 2381. Similar to the one-armed razor, the triple R 001BM, which has a barrel of micarta on it. As far as a swayback jack pattern handle, I have the marbles. This is the model number 595 right here. And I have here also from the Carbon series black micarta half hawk from Rough Rider. So a little similar blade styles. Now let's continue with the rest. So here is a paramilitary 3 in micarta, a large reptilian from Benchmade. Here is the QSP Penguin CV Elementum. Bestex Slasher. Benchmade Bug Out. Petrified Fish 949, also known as the Warrior. These are probably the same micarta on it, since this is 3D milled and this is smooth. Here's my Chinese paramilitary 3, CRKT Pilar 1, Alright Model 1, Berke Plus Bonfire, Kaiser Backlighter 2, $940 from Benchmade, Rough Rider Peanut, Tucson 111 in Berla micarta, and let's close down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so the conclusion, Yes, I'm really impressed for what they still can offer you for around $27. And yeah, EFENGROW did release some really interesting models in the past, but nothing strike my fancy. And since they have some Micarta ones, there is also, I forgot to mention, there is also a green Micarta version of this one. You have to try one out if you like this blade profile. Maybe have some task that it is good for you, then definitely check out the EFENGROW EF939M. You will be probably not disappointed. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate you chiming in, letting me know what do you think about the product. Maybe if you would like to see something else or have some kind of feedback, I always appreciate everybody telling me how can I improve myself and what can I bring to the table so that I can help out the community. Okay, with that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.